So in this one, I'm gonna take y'all to get the truck fixed. I gotta go get a new fifth wheel put on. I'll show y'all here in 1 second why. I've had a rough couple days. I got the trailer broken into yesterday here in San Antonio. It's been one hell of a trip, man. It really has. We're gonna get this right here for you guys that don't know. We're gonna get this whole fifth wheel replaced. So it cost me about $2,500. This right here is your adjustment, and what's wrong is it's backed out so far, so it's out of adjustment. So it's time for a new one, unfortunately, which is $2,500 is what it's gonna cost me to get it fixed while I'm out here, and I definitely don't want nothing crazy happening to me. So we're gonna get that fixed. I'm gonna take y'all to my shop that I use here in San Antonio, and let y'all see the process a little bit, man. Alright, y'all, so we made it to the shop. We're about to get it replaced. We're gonna pull in one of these doors over there. We're on the north side of San Antonio, but it's a real good shop. They're real cool people, real affordable. Tri-County diesel services, they're really good. But yeah, man, we're gonna get this thing. I'm gonna see if they'll let me record a little bit of me getting it done. So it's always something, man. Always be prepared for this stuff. It is what it is. Nothing you can really do about it. It sucks when it sucks. It rains when it pours. It feels like things have been a little rough lately, but I figure it out per usual. So there y'all go, man. I'll get some recording when we get into the shop. Peace.
Actually sent the dash in to get those. That's all the original.
That's actually really cool.
Yeah, he sent it in and they refurbed all the original stuff. The windows are all the original.
What's his plan with it?
I think he's just gonna use it for shows and stuff. He's not gonna really, not gonna be.
This is the new one. My old one's out there. We got that new one on, we looking good. Alright, y'all, so we're fixed up. We're over here in Killeen, Texas, so we're a couple hours away now. But We're all fixed up, man. We're all good. It's a pretty nice fifth wheel, honestly. So that's done. One less thing to worry about. I'll catch y'all in the next video. We gotta head to South Carolina and Georgia. Then we gotta actually come right back across. So I'll catch y'all, man.